Hi there, this is Abhishek here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to review this Philips Norelco MG3750 trimmer and I will tell you whether you should buy it or you must ignore it. So first of all, let's do the unboxing and let's see what all accessories you will get inside the box. Inside the box, first of all, you are going to get the trimmer itself. Other than this trimmer, there is a charger. You will get one user manual, one precision cut blade, one nose trimmer, one cleaning brush, one carrying pouch, 4 beard comb, that is 1 mm, 3 mm, 5 mm and 7 mm, and 3 hair comb, that is 9 mm, 12 mm and 16 mm. So these are all the accessories that can be found easily inside the box of this trimmer. And the charger you are able to see, it is not based on India. If you are watching this video from US, then definitely you can use this charger. But in India, we do not use this kind of socket. So if you have the simple socket, the charger cannot be fixed. But if you have this kind of socket at your home, then very easily you can charge this trimmer. This is Philips MG3750 trimmer. If we talk about the build quality, the complete body is completely made up of good quality plastic. At the top, you will get the self-sharpening completely metallic blade that can be removed very easily, and blade can be cleaned with the help of water, no problem on that. It is very easy to attach the blade. You can just put it here and push it something like this. That's it. At the bottom, you will get the charging port via which you can charge this trimmer. If we talk about the charging time, it is 8 hours, and once you do the complete charge, you will get max to max 1 hour of battery backup. This is only a cordless trimmer, cannot be used corded. This trimmer also comes with a quick charge facility. If you charge it for the 15 minutes, at least it will give you 5 minutes of battery backup in emergency situation. At the front end side, you will get the power on and off button. Now it's time to do the live trimming test, but before going forward, I would like to let you know this is not a sponsored video. I have purchased this trimmer just to let you know whether you should buy it or you must ignore it. So if you really want to support my channel, kindly buy this product from the link given in the description section below. And if you buy from my link, you will also get it at the best price as well. Now let's go forward. As here you can see, my beard are quite long, and right now I am going to trim my beard with the help of this 3 mm comb. Alright guys, as you can see, finally I have trimmed my beard with the help of this Philips Norelco trimmer at 3 mm settings, and here is the final result, and here is the side by side comparison. If you ask me, I can tell you one thing, the trimming performance was really good. I have got a very good experience while trimming at 3 mm settings. Now let's go forward and do the live trimming test directly with the help of blade, and let me show you how skin friendly it is and how much it can give you a clean shave look. Alright guys, as here you can see, finally I have trimmed my beard directly with the help of blade of this Philips MG3750 Norelco trimmer, and here is the final result. Let me show you the close-up look. So this is how teeny beard you can keep with the help of this Philips trimmer. Overall trimming experience was really good. I have enjoyed while trimming my beard. If you want to buy this trimmer, definitely I will highly recommend you from my side, but make sure please buy it from the link given in the description section below. If you buy from my link, it will help my channel, plus you will also get it at the best price as well. If you're new here, do subscribe it and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.